Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the always on display on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So if you want to turn on the always on display like this, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up settings. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on wallpaper and personalization. From here, find always on, tap on this. And by default, this is switched off. Go ahead and turn this feature on. And here you can go ahead and display all of these items on your always on screen. So go ahead and choose what you like. The ones with the circle just next to it at the top right, these are animations. So for example, this one here, let's go ahead and apply it. Press home. And now when we lock the screen, you'll see the always on display and you'll have an animation on it. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the always on display on your Redmi Note 14 Pro mobile phone.